Hi there, are you ready for a quick quiz? Take your whiteboards out and write the word cat. When you're finished, let's see if you were correct. Let's see, did you spell it C-A-T? Good, let's try dog. Are you finished? Let's see, were you correct? D-O-G. Good. How about mom? Let's see if you're correct. If you spelled M-O-M, you're right. How about pig? Oh, good. P-I-G. And last one, hat. Did you spell it H-A-T? Good job. All right, give me a thumbs up if you got them all right. Give me a 2 if you missed a few. And give me a 1 if you know you need to work a little harder on our spelling. We'll see you next time.